Okay, so this is what we know is solo number 1, the pentatonic scale, first position. The original recording was done in the key of A, just power chords 1, 4, and 5, basically. So I'm going to do it again here. Second half had some different chords. So that was the original, as you saw it. What we're going to do is take those chords and play them in different keys and in different chord progressions. So right now I'm going to do a chord progression in the key of C, C major. We're going to do sort of a ballad, sort of folksy kind of sound. It's in the key of C, 8th fret. 1, 2, 3, go. 5, 6 minor, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5. And you notice I'm not going to try and start at the beginning of the chord progression. I'm just going to play these licks at any point. So. So I just played the exact solo twice through. You can see I play some rhythms differently. I play some of the, licks repeated sometimes. I'm just playing it straight through as it's written on the page. We can do that with any sort of style. If I want to take, for example, let's do a metal style. Take a little bit more of a distorted kind of background. I'm going to do this one in the key of E. Play the same licks I'm playing here now. Say we take a straight blues. I'm going to do this in the key of A. We'll just go simple shuffle. So you can see, again, I'm just doing the same licks over and over. Sometimes I repeat them, just try and put them in the right groove for the background. Here's a country backup. Take my sound, so it's more like this. Country sort of bluegrassy thing. To the key of G. Same exact licks now, solo. So you can see, again, I'm repeating some of them, but there's nothing in there that's not straight from that solo. I'm just playing straight through it in the order. And really important to see is that I'm not really starting at any particular place in the chord progression. I'm just starting to play those licks at any point wherever I feel comfortable and fitting them in rhythmically. Here's a little jazz thing. I'll get my sound maybe be a little more mellow. So we'll see. Here's the solo, same key. So different styles, they all work. Doesn't matter what key we play, we just move the scale to the right fret. You get the idea. We did a little bit of blues, we did a little bit of metal, we did a little bit of like hard rock and metal, we did a jazz thing in there, we did a country or bluegrassy kind of thing. In every case, I'm playing those like straight through, just reading them off the page and playing them in the right fret for the right key, whatever the chords are in, and you can see they fit. You can use these things for every kind of chord progression you ever see. And if you get more complex chord progressions, things that change keys like jazz chord progressions, you just basically play the licks in one key and then you move them to the next key as the song changes keys. These little core licks in the solo will form the basis for any sort of stylistic playing. It should give you a good feel for how it works.